Had the afternoon, clean the car. Have nothing else to do. A nice day today. Having fun, loving it. Here we go. Girl, I wanna sit you down and let you know just how I feel.
It's been a long time since
I felt so strong.
much too long since love's been here.
Now I know there's many questions running through your mind. You wonder, have you found true love this time?
Have you found the one who cares?
Who will always be right there? I've got the song just to ease your mind.
Now
Your love to me is very
serious. I won't play games.
I won't play games to a heart.
And when I look
Into your eyes I say I love you, girl.
that's how I feel.
I'm for real.
I'm for real. They say life, you take a chance. In love there's no guarantees. But the sweetest satisfaction comes from sharing our lives and taking down the walls of mystery. What we share is special, it's mystical. There's magic when I look in your eyes. Oh, but this is no illusion. I never want to lose you. Stay with me for the rest of my life. Oh, girl, I want to love you. When the love is at home and bring my day. I'll bring it every day.
Pretend no more, darling. It's all over.
Your love to me is very serious. I won't play games with your tender heart. And I look into your eyes and see I love you. Oh, that's how I feel. I'm for real. I'm for real.
Saturday morning, loving life. Loving life.
It's a kind of love that's at home and bring back every day. Oh, yes, it is.
Pretend no more, darling. It's all over. So what?
Your love to me is very serious. I won't play games with your tender heart. When I look into your eyes and say I love you, girl, that's how I feel. I'm for real. I'm for real. I said your love to me is very serious. I won't play games. I won't play games with your tender heart. Into your eyes and say I love you, girl. That's how I feel. I'm for real. I'm for real. Your love to me is very serious. I won't play games with your tender heart.
Just enjoy your life and don't take no shit from no free person. Okay, peace out, lots of love. Peace out, lots of love.